I'm Tiffany Schaufler, Project and Land Manager with the Minnehaha Creek Watershed District. And today we are out here to observe some repair work that's being done that was caused from the 2014 flooding event. So in 2014, the Watershed Districts experienced the flood of records since our organization has been established. And that resulted because we had record precipitation between January and June of that year, which resulted in record flows on Minnehaha Creek throughout the entire season. And really the creek water didn't subside until around November of 2014. And after that water subsided, we went and assessed the whole stretch of Minnehaha Creek and identified where we had some flood damages. And we worked with FEMA at the time because there was a federal declaration and some grant monies available to help do and implement flood repairs. So what we've done is we've identified 10 sites that are under construction right now that are being repaired, and there's different techniques from using riprap to vegetative reinforced soil slopes, such as what's going on behind me. And outside of those 10 sites, we also identified other sites that could use some repair work but weren't as high a priority. So what we did then was we formed a partnership with the Minneapolis Park and Rec Board in the city of Minneapolis, and we're looking comprehensively across the entire Minnehaha Creek section in Minneapolis. And the Park Board is using that information to then help inform their master planning work that's currently underway for the Minnehaha Parkway Regional Trail Master Plan. So we're working with them to say, hey, these sites had some flood damage, or is there a bigger opportunity to do more in this area, such as remeandering the creek? And then we also leveraged some Clean Water Fund grants from Bowser to study outfalls in the vicinity of these FEMA flood repair sites to see if we could also do some bigger work, such as removing outfalls from the creek. And the Park Board is also using that information as part of their master planning process to figure out where you could situate such best management practices to remove the outfalls to complement the creek corridor. So what you see going behind me is the actual repair work of one of the sections of stream bank. This is about 150 feet in length that they're repairing. And this work started upstream near 35W in December. And the crews here will wrap up most of the stream bank work yet this winter, and then come back this spring and replant and revegetate the stream bank and areas and rework some of the trails once the ground is unfrozen.